Anthony, as well as many others, have been commenting about this hybrid man that was found in China. This footage is from a province there. What you're looking at is being described all over the web as a Chinese hybrid man. So the story goes that the boy's mother had claimed she was kidnapped by a Yiran, which is a Chinese version of Bigfoot. This creature raped her repeatedly before she was able to escape back to her small village. 9 months later, she gave birth to this strange boy who grew up to be really big. Although he was never able to speak a language, he did gain a mild understanding of what people were saying to him. He lived to be 33 years old, and because he was kept hidden in a small village, not much is known about him. So what is he exactly? One explanation was that he was born with microcephaly, which is a neurodevelopmental disorder which causes abnormal head growth, poor brain function, and a shorter life expectancy. Skeptics who believe this explanation go on to say that the mother was so ashamed of having a retarded baby, she made up the entire story about being raped by a Bigfoot creature. The problem with this explanation, however, is it doesn't explain the sheer size of this hybrid-looking man, as previous cases of microcephaly have never been very tall. In addition, he displays a lot of ape-like characteristics, such as the size and shape of his ape-like jaw, his extremely long gangly arms, and a lack of a human neck. Has anyone seen that creepy movie called Splice? So what do you guys think? Is this simply a case of a birth defect? Did some woman really get raped by an ape creature? Or is there some other explanation that we're missing entirely?